So hi everyone, it's me Persig again, and for today's video is another road trip, and iba-iba yung makikita natin during our rides. Ganon yung buhay natin, no? May iba-iba tayong maranasan na experience about sa life, but all of that is a part of our life, no? Kung bad man yung makikita natin or good, but bahagi pa rin siya ng ating buhay. So, kailangan natin magpatuloy para makapunta tayo doon sa ating destinasyon. And again, always positive and take the moment every time to thank you God for all the experience. And again, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much everyone, and ingat kanunay.